Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing tourist visas and tourists coming to Thailand and some recent information that was kind of buried in a few different sources of information that I came across that I think is rather relevant and that people should be aware of moving forward, especially for those who are coming to Thailand to get a 30-day stamp on arrival, a so-called visa exemption stamp, or coming into Thailand on a tourist visa. So what are we talking about here? Well, in a recent article from The Tiger, that's thetiger.com, and Tiger is spelled Thaiger, the title of the video is, or the title of the article is Easier, Faster, and More Watertight, Surachat's Vision for Immigration. Quoting directly, and this was what I found important. There's a great deal more in this article. I urge those that are watching this video, check this article out directly. But just to quote directly, a tiny piece here. Better screening of visitors to Thailand is part of new proposals, including the advanced passenger processing system that is being rolled out over the next year. Now, I wasn't able to find, I had read in another article, and take this with a grain of salt because I don't have the actual article. I've tried to go back and find it, but I can't seem to find it. I've been digging around for it. If I do find it so I can confirm it, I'll make another video. But I had also seen specifically where the app system, the advanced passenger processing system, was previously mentioned in something online that I saw. And they basically said those without an onward ticket to another country outside of Thailand that would comport with their tourism schedule or their tourism itinerary in Thailand would not be permitted to board a carrier to come into Thailand. And let me be clear, the app system, which we've done another video specifically on that, you can go to the search function in our channel and go ahead and just click apps, APPS, all capitalization. The app system precludes folks from getting on a plane to come to Thailand. If an individual is deemed inadmissible to Thailand, and this can be checked via the passenger manifests abroad, and digitally, and this is done, over the internet, it's done online. If that's deemed to be the case, then that individual will not even be permitted to get on the airplane to come into Thailand. It's a very similar scenario to those who were part of the travel ban imposed by the administration in the United States, who may have been admissible, depending on your interpretation of the law, but they were just sort of summarily rejected for being allowed onto an air carrier because the air carrier that's informed by the receiving country that receiving country is not going to accept that individual, that air carrier could incur penalties, not least of which being they've got to go ahead and transport that individual elsewhere, if nothing else. So apps is problematic, and I shouldn't say problematic. Apps is a new system, and for those who are tourists coming in the past it was mostly used against, and I've seen this be the case, against individuals who had prior criminal records, either abroad or in Thailand. But now it appears that, and in my opinion, I think it's fairly likely, we're going to see a tightening of regulations pertaining to tourists coming into the kingdom, especially those tourists who cannot show an intention to go ahead and move along and leave Thailand at some point after arriving for tourism purposes.